Hello and welcome to FinTech Focus TV with me, Carl Charlson, Customer Success Director at Harrington Star. We're filming today live at the Excel from the fantastic FinTech Connect. With me, I'm pleased to introduce Varun from Know Your Dosh. Varun, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming on.
Thank you. Thanks for introducing me.
For myself and the audience, tell us a bit about yourself and Know Your Dosh.
Yes, hi, I'm Varun Aggarwal. I'm the founder and CEO of Know Your Dosh. And the reason I started this thing was my personal pain. So I lost my dad when I was 14 years old. And in my family, nobody knew about finances. And then COVID happened. We saw a lot of families going through the same pain. And the problem was that in most of the families, one person ends up managing all the finances.
Yeah.
Now, how about if something happens to that person, how will the family members going to get access to that information? And because of that reason, just in UK, 89 billion pounds worth of assets are lying dormant. Nobody knows about them.
That is a big number. And that, knowing that how difficult it is to gain access to somebody else's finances when they've passed, that's a key problem to need to be solved. So before we get into other questions, how do you actually go about solving that, and where do you sit within that landscape?
Yes, so we have created an app and a platform where people can register and upload their information using open banking and open finance. They can connect their financial institutions and we can pull information about them, and then they can decide whom they want to share it with the level of access they want to share it.
Okay.
So then their hard-earned wealth remains within the family, doesn't end up with the government.
Okay, and I could do that today, or my family could do that on my behalf if something happened to me, or does it have to be me doing that now?
No, so anybody can do that in your family. So whoever access to your banking credentials, so they just need to enter and authorize our app to access your bank accounts, or they can enter manually as well. So even you cannot connect, you can enter things manually as well. So you can track all your assets, liabilities, your utilities as well. If you're a buy-to-let landlord, you can track your portfolio as well. It gives you a lot of insights as well.
Okay, so you mentioned the figure 89 billion, which is like a ludicrous amount of money just sitting there dormant. What happens to that money after, and is there a period of time where that money goes to the state, for example?
Yes, that's right. So what happens is it remains on the financial institution books for a very long time, and then government applies after a certain time that it has already elapsed certain time, maybe 10 years, 15 years, and then they take away and government uses it for welfare.
Well, that's really interesting, and that is a key problem to solve, and I like that. I really do. I think it's a great idea. I really do. I mean, I speak to a lot of people in my day job and obviously here, and just finding new products like this is really great. The innovation is fantastic.
Absolutely, absolutely. And the thing is, it's not just a UK problem. In US, it's 450 billion, and it's a global problem. And because of that, we have actually got users from more than 60 countries now.
Okay, and do you then have to, as a business, have to comply with different regulations?
Yeah, no, because we are not dealing with clients' money, we are only accessing the information. So even though we are FCA regulated, but we don't have to, and we are GDPR compliant as well, but we don't have to do a more stringent regulation.
Okay. Right, okay, that's really interesting. Now, we're here at FinTech Connect, a great event. We come each year. What's been your key takeaways from attending this year? You've got a booth just literally right over there as well.
Exactly, yes, that's right, yeah. So this is our first time exhibiting in any exhibition.
Okay.
So it's a very new experience for us, but for me, it has been amazing experience. Since yesterday, literally, there wasn't a block of even 3 minutes where I was not talking.
Wow.
So people were and there were a few people who was I'm past 10 times trying to speak to you, and you were constantly busy. We were bombarded with people.
Yeah.
But the thing is people can relate to this problem.
Yeah, well, absolutely, yes. And thank you so much for spending the time with me, because if you didn't have time yesterday, I feel very privileged to have more than 3 minutes of your time.
Absolutely.
But that's great. And then with events like this, what's your main aim? What are you looking to get from events like FinTech Connect?
Yes, so it's there are 2-3 aims which we are here. One is bringing the awareness. So even though a lot of business people are over here, in their personal life they've got this problem as well.
Yeah.
But at the time we are looking for B2B partners financial institutions, banks, where we can help them to provide the service to their customers, because it helps them to build customer loyalty and give them the opportunity to cross-sell and upsell other services.
Excellent. So I think we can agree that 2025 has been a good year. The market's been good. It could be better as always. We're fast approaching 2026. What's your predictions for the company and the market in general?
So for us, 2025 has been the best year. We have been growing 14% month on month for last 9 months.
Excellent.
And without even marketing spend. So this is our first marketing spend per se. Well, we have got a very high hopes from 26 because we are getting into now full on, all marketing, shouting about all over the places. So you'll see a lot more as well happening. So we are very, very optimistic about 26.
So where are we going to see you then?
So you're going to see on social media, you might gonna end up seeing on TV as well.
Okay.
So there is something in play. Yep.
Yeah.
There is a one media who is doing a piece on us and end of January. So you'll see that as well.
Yeah.
And we're going to use certain guerrilla marketing tactics as well somewhere in the London.
Oh,
so
right.
you
Okay.
might see something. Might see something going viral as well. Hoping for it.
Yeah. Well, you're going to pay for it. Hopefully, going viral, right?
Absolutely. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's right. Yes.
Well, look, Varun, thank you so much for your time. It's been great having you on. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next episode.
Thank you.